Hi everyone, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and definitely put that thumbs up to the video. In this video today we're talking a little bit of acne. So that's the Alba Botanica Acnedote series, because they have other products here. This is the face and body scrub. So this is a really big tube, as you can see, which is really convenient if you're using it for your body. If not, you could still just use it for your face. And it says that it's maximum strength. I don't know what to compare it with, but the active ingredient is salicylic acid. 2% of that. What's really good is that it's 100% vegetarian ingredients. There are no parabens, no synthetic fragrances. It contains no SLS, no SLL, artificial colors, parabens, no animal testing. It's obviously non-comedogenic, but I mean, this is supposed to be like obvious in this case. Anyways, as with the scrub, it's not really very harsh, but it contains the walnut. Let me find it here. Yeah, it's the Walnut Shell scrub. So it's supposed to be like a pore plugging, like dead skin cells, so like get rid of the oil and the dirt. But people love the feeling of the cleanliness after using a scrub, so it's very important to remember not to overuse the product. So you avoid the over irritation this way. If you're using any other medications or medicated skincare products at the same time, you also need to be cautious so you don't increase the dryness or irritation again. So make sure it doesn't get into your eyes. And if we look at the ingredients, it does have also the willow bark extract, which is supposed to be really good for the acne. It also contains aloe vera. It contains licorice root, witch hazel, citrus, bergamot fruit oil, orange peel oil. It actually has a very pleasing scent, if that matters. Anyways, I would say this product is good for anyone to try, but just a little note, which I personally would add: if you have really active acne, you are pretty much not allowed to use the scrub. So I think this is more like it's good for the prevention, or if it was a day with really heavy makeup, or you just once a week, say. Same goes for the body as prevention, because with active pimples, acne breakouts, you can't really scrub them because this is going to make the things worse. So I hope you guys like this video. Any questions, please let me know. Put a thumbs up and I'll see you later. Bye.